So I saw this mistake a lot on the test. This is like question number 12, where it asked you to find secant theta, maybe sine theta, cosine theta, whatever it was, and then I gave you an angle. So this is where the bow tie triangle comes into play. So if you look here, I'm in the first, second, I'm in the third quadrant. The bow tie triangle, if you remember, looks like that. So since I'm in the third quadrant, you're always going to draw it towards the x-axis and form that right angle. Now I have my reference triangle here. Well, I know that this right here is 120. If I go all the way across, that should be 180. So to figure out what this missing angle here is, you're going to do 180 minus 120, and you get 60 degrees. Our beloved 30, 60, 90 triangle. Remember, opposite of the 60 is always square root of 3. Opposite of the 30 is 1. Your hypotenuse is 2. Now the question is asking you to find secant theta. So remember, in SOHCAHTOA, sine belongs with cosecant, cosine belongs with secant, and tangent belongs with cotangent. So if you look here, secant belongs with cosine. So instead of adjacent over hypotenuse, secant is hypotenuse over adjacent. So in this case, if I look at this triangle, this right here is my hypotenuse, which is 2. And remember, we're focused on this angle here, the 60 degrees. So the hypotenuse is 2, the side that's adjacent to 60 is 1. So my answer is 2 over 1. You could simplify this to 2. Remember, our very last step is to always look at our signs. So we have A, S, T, C. If you look here, we're in the third quadrant, which is our tangent quadrant. Everything in this quadrant is negative except for tangent and then cotangent. So because we are looking for secant, our answer here should be negative. So your final answer is -2.